Hey everyone. Starting out in trading can be confusing. Charts packed with information, unsure when to buy or sell? Today, we'll explore a free indicator that simplifies things. The trend signal indicator uses clear signals to help you identify potential buying and selling opportunities in various markets. No complex algorithms here. We'll show you step by step how it works. Stay tuned to see how this indicator can potentially guide your trading decisions and reduce some of that information overload. Now, let's dive into how to use the one-sided Gaussian filter indicator. This indicator simplifies things by showing arrows on the chart. Up arrows suggest potential buying opportunities, and down arrows suggest potential selling opportunities. If you're looking to trade like a pro, consider adding the Volumize Order Blocks indicator to this setup. It's free and available for download. I'll include the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out for an enhanced trading experience. Let's dive into this amazing strategy. But first, let me introduce you to Flux Charts. They've sponsored today's video to showcase the power of their premium indicators. I have tested them in previous videos and got incredible results. For the price of just one takeaway meal per month, you can access life-changing indicators and join a vibrant community of traders, from beginners to experts, all making money the way you want to. Check them out risk-free with the link in the description and comments. Flux Charts packs immense value into this affordable membership fee. Take advantage of their 7-day money-back guarantee. Thank you Flux Charts for sponsoring today's video. We'll be using a 15-minute time frame for this strategy. This time frame can provide more frequent signals compared to longer time frames. We have to change some settings. Let's add a filter to our strategy to confirm the buy signals. We'll use a popular indicator called the Super Trend RSI. Think of the RSI as a confirmation tool. Let's customize. When the trend signal indicator gives a buy signal, and the super trend RSI is also in a bullish zone, this strengthens the potential for a successful trade. Remember, even with these indicators, successful trading involves risk management. We'll place a stop-loss order below the recent low point in price to limit potential losses. The risk-reward ratio for this strategy is 1 to 1.5. This means we're aiming to make a profit 1.5 times the amount we risk on the trade. Now let's understand short positions, which means profiting when the price goes down. The trend signals indicator will provide a sell signal with a down arrow. We'll also look for a bearish confirmation from the RSI. Remember, successful trading involves risk management. We'll place a stop-loss order above the recent high point to limit potential losses. The risk-reward ratio for this strategy remains 1 to 1.5. We'll now show some trade examples to illustrate how the trend signals indicator and confirmation tool work together. We tested this strategy on pound sterling to US dollar using a 15-minute time frame, and achieved a solid risk-reward ratio, aiming to gain nearly twice what we risked on each trade. After analyzing 2 months of data, here's the breakdown. Total trades, 50, wins, 37, 74% win rate. Losses, 13, average risk-reward ratio, 1:5. Winning streak, 6 trades. Max consecutive losses, 2. The overall account gain was an impressive 138%, achieved with a disciplined 3% risk per trade. Even with a small drawdown of 3%, you can comfortably risk 4% per trade, making this approach potentially profitable. Remember, trading always involves risk. This video is for educational purposes only, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. If you're a new trader, this is just the beginning. For more beginner trading tips and strategies, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel.